About my LG dryer is it's got a light on, so like, but on this it's my favourite program, Speed 30. It only goes round one way, and it does that on most programs. This one's auto cleaning too. You can see auto cleaning, yeah. It's on 3 minutes left, and this is timed. It's eco hybrid, so you can either heat pump or heating element part. But on speed 30, it's already set onto time by preset on the machine. Yeah, it is a good dryer. They still haven't fixed it. It's still making noise while it's rotating, but it is a good dryer. It dries everything. Any program you put it on, it dries everything. But when it's supposed to self-clean, I ain't got a clue, because it never, the light, the symbol that shows here, self-cleaning symbol, never turns on. But they said there's no wrong with it. It sounds like there's no wrong with it. It's rails. The light stays on for 3 minutes, but it's on like for a small load. Like at the moment I've got a towel in it, a pair of trackies and 2 tops, 2 t-shirts, and now it's on cool down. And this is when it's supposed to be doing self-cleaning. Now you can hear it flushing, you can hear the machine flushing, but the symbol don't light up. You hear the water flushing through the machine, cleaning filters, but never shows light, never comes on. And that's it. Ended. Light turns on, and it comes up on my phone that it's finished.